This model is discontinued for now. This is the last model for a while as they change production. They will still make the 19, but not the 17. The 17 is the one with the Murphy bed. The 19 will have a rear door entry without the Murphy bed. We'll hop inside, I'll give you a quick tour. With the Hemispheres, you will get the spread axles, a little wider stance there. TV mount, outside speakers. Nice big steps when you come in here. Alright, so the 19 and the 17 both will have your recliner and your dinette combo. The 17 will have another couch in the front with the Murphy bed, and I'll pull that down here in a minute. A couple dresser drawers below there. This one's going to have tons of counter space. Comes with a TV already mounted. Those recliners again. There's your Bluetooth radio, speakers, your sink, your oven, some storage below the oven. Shot of the oven, and you get a 3-burner stove. There's a little extra counter space back here, good for a coffee maker or something you want to store out of the way. Refrigerator is 11 cubic foot Everchill, full electric 12-volt refrigerator. Bathroom in the rear, you get your porcelain toilet. Pretty decent shower here. It's got the compact slider door. And let me take this down real quick. So you got the 2 armrests, you just pop those to the side. This is the easy little jackknife. And then this right here just unclips. Bed comes down. There you go. And then the table can just lift up. Store it out of the way. And you get your 2 recliners. There you go. But yeah, right now this model is available. It is the 17RBHL from Hemisphere. If you're interested, you can give us a call, 903-326-4080, or check us out on our website, rendelrv.com.